Hi, welcome to #homemade. In today's video, I'll show how to make spicy Andhra style chicken 65 recipe. First, take 500 grams of chicken breast and cut it into small pieces. Now to the chicken, add 3/4 cup of buttermilk. Mix this well and let it sit overnight. Letting the chicken marinate in buttermilk makes it really soft. Now squeeze the excess buttermilk out of the chicken pieces and take them into a separate bowl. To this, add 2 egg whites, or you can use 1 whole egg. Add 2.5 tablespoons of maida, 2.5 tablespoons of corn flour, and some salt. Mix it well so the batter coats all the pieces evenly. Now take a kadai and add enough oil to deep fry. Check if the oil is hot enough by adding a drop of batter. Now add the chicken pieces. Now fry the chicken for 3 to 4 minutes on medium high. Stir it in between so that the pieces do not stick to the bottom. Once they turn golden brown, strain the excess oil and remove the chicken. Now repeat the same until all the chicken is deep fried. Take the deep fried chicken pieces into a separate plate lined with paper towels. To make chicken 65 masala, in a bowl take 2.5 tablespoons of yogurt, 3 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of 65 masala and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix it well until it forms a creamy consistency. #65 needs more curry leaves and chilies, so here we have a bunch of curry leaves, 8 to 10 chilies, and some finely chopped ginger and garlic, few cashews, and some lemon juice. Now take the cashews and fry them in the same oil for a few seconds and set them aside. Next, take a wide bottom pan and add 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Add the ginger and garlic. Saute this for a few seconds. Now add the slit chilies and saute for a couple more seconds. Now add the fried chicken pieces. Add the 65 masala. Mix it well so that all the pieces are coated evenly. Check taste and add salt if necessary. Also add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, some curry leaves, and some cashews. Saute this for a minute and then turn off the stove. If you follow this recipe, you will get the same taste as a restaurant style chicken 65. Serve it hot with some lemon and onions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to #homemade.